Hello friends, welcome to our tutorial. This is what we are going to animate today. After opening your PowerPoint, go to Layout and select Blank. Format a background by going to Design, then Format Background. On the formatting options, choose Picture or Texture Fill, click on Insert and choose your image. Insert a rectangle by going to Insert, then Shapes and select Rectangle. Draw your rectangle nicely. Then go to Fill, select Gradient Fill, and as for Outline, select None. Right-click the shape and select Shape Format. Select the middle color slide and click Delete. Then you can edit the rest, picking the color you love and the transparency as well. Then add some content by going to Insert and then Text Box. Please be flexible here to use and font your heart desire as well as the size. The color also depends totally on the image as well as the color of your choice. Then we will continue by adding a PNG icon by going to Insert the picture. Then Insert from this device, and for this slide we will use this icon. Again, you can download all these icons from Penguin.com, but I have linked all of them in one Google folder below for you to easy access and download them for practice purpose. Group everything and align them to the center by selecting Text. Holding Shift, select the icon and vice versa, then click Ctrl+G on your keyboard. Then duplicate everything to a new slide. Edit the slide. Start by right-clicking on the icon, then change picture and select from this device and pick another PNG icon and change its color to white. Edit and resize the text as well. Make it a little smaller than the cover slide. Insert a line by going to Insert and select a line. While drawing a line, make sure you hold Shift for a straight line to be drawn. Then go to the outline and choose white, and go to weight and pick your desired weight. Insert another text box. This will be for the contents of this slide. Edit the color, font type and size after your liking. This is what looks good to me. Then select all and group them. Copy and go to the first slide. Paste them and move them down to the gray area. This will be important later during animation. Then duplicate the second slide and edit its contents as well, including changing the icon. Then group everything and copy and paste on the second slide and move to the gray area. In this fourth slide, we will create multiple content text boxes with their respective subtopics and icons, as we already learned how. We will add rounded rectangle for highlighting each subtopic of expenses when it's time to be explained. Change its color to white and make sure it's beyond the text. After it has been properly aligned with the text, duplicate it, then copy the text and move the shape as well. Edit the contents and repeat the process till all the subtopics are created. finish up with the final slide. After, select all the slides except the cover slide and go to Transition and select Morph. As you can see, our animation, especially on the slide about expenses, is not animating well, so let me do some minor adjustments I forgot before I end the tutorial so you don't get confused and frustrated. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips, tutorials, and guides to help you on your journey. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. And remember, sharing is caring. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to share it with them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.